Hello friends, welcome to Akulmek Live. I'm Kanchan Varma and today we are discussing about music therapy. But before that, I would like to remind you there's a free gift available only for you. Stick around to this episode till the end. We will guide you how to avail your free gift. Hello friends, welcome to our show today. And Wednesdays are very special. And here in our Akulmek team, we wait for every Wednesday because we get chance to listen to Dr. Shambhavi Das, who is a prominent musician and singer. So without wasting any further time, I would like to welcome Dr. Shambhavi Das. Welcome to the show, Shambhavi. How are you doing today?
Namaskar, Kanchanji. I'm doing very good. Hope the same for you.
Yeah, we are good. We are coping up with this pandemic, but or every Wednesday we get chance to listen to your songs and understand the raga. So, what raga we are discussing today?
So today I will be discussing Rag Khamaj, which is a very popular rag, and I'm going to explain it all the perversions of the raga.
Well, as usual, our program doesn't starts with a beautiful song, which we are waiting that you should sing a song
So,
for us.
so in Rag Khamaj, there's a very recent and popular song, and it's a Bollywood song. I would like to sing. रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए। दिया नदी देरता न देरे नो, तदिया नदी देरता न देरे नो, तदिया नदी। रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, रघुवर तेरी राह निहारे, सातों जन्म से सिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया, घर मोरे परदेसिया। आओ पधारो पिया। दिम तनन देरना, दिम तनन देरना, धनि सामा सागमधा निधा मा ग गम प सा गम प नी गम प नि द प म ग रे गम द प रे म प नि द प रे म प नि द रे म प द म प नि द प म प गम रे स नि स रे रे म प प द म म नी नी रे स नि ध नि द प म प द नि द प म ग रे स रे रे ग। Thank you so much.
Bahut Khubsurat. It's so wonderful to really listen to this wonderful song. So, coming to this Khamaj, what type of rag is this, and is it beneficial in well-being of our daily what we say routine?
So this rag is, yes, it's very beneficial, and the good part of this rag is that it's very shringarik, it's very romantic, and even in the movie songs, you will listen to the romantic songs in Rag Khamaj. There are many songs, and the good part is that it normally hits your well-being, and it is very good for the affection, that it emanates affection, love, and affection, because it's much more into the. It gives a lot of the acceptance, which is much more needed in these days. So, like very briefly, we talk about the chakras always. So this raga is normally for the gut memory, because in this raga, if we sing the ga and the ni, that is the gut Manipur chakra, and the Nishad, that is the Sahasrara chakra, is very important. Now, gut chakra, that is the solar plexus, Gandhar, which is Manipur. It is the gut area. So this is very, very important area, because all the maximum of the petals, the emotions are connected with this area. Second very important chakra is Sahasrar chakra, which is your pituitary gland, and Nishad is the sur ni. Sa ga ma pa dha ni. This is ni, and which is connected to the Sahasrar chakra. And Sahasrar chakra has it's called a Brahmarandra. It has the thousands petals or emotions residing in it. If you activate that Sahasrar chakra, or if you are balancing the chakra or the tattva inside it, it is very good for your brain cognition. So all in all, this rag is good for your it works on the depression one and second cognition. So depression, how? Because normally gut is related to the depression part. Gut, the metabolism, the constipation, digestion, indigestion, excretory system, all these areas are related to that. And this works on the intestinal memory. Memory, as in we call it gut memory, because mind and gut connections are very, very much studied these days. So this is very important in the gut connection. And secondly, since it works on the pituitary gland, and the good part of this raga is that it connects with the pituitary and the lower part of it, because it has both the knees in it, both nishads, the higher nishad and the lower nishad. So lower nishad is not a prime chakra, it's an upachakra, the knee komal. So how it goes is sa sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa. So when it goes up, it has this chakra. Sa ga ma pa dha ni. So these both the frequencies are not the same, it's different. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. And it's very good on the depression as well. It works on the depression, and we have tested many patients with it. Now, if we see the Ayurveda version of this, Manipur chakra is very, very important for the fear, for the non-acceptance. Fear, like these days, it can be any fear. It can be that COVID stress, COVID fear. Oh, I should get the COVID. So all these fears are associated with the Manipur chakra, and therefore the depression is related to it. It's very important to activate the Manipur chakra or the abdominal area, and to make your gut strong. That is also connected to immunity. So therefore, in that version, Khamaj works. So if you can listen to the flute of Khamaj, or Sarod, it's very, very beneficial these days.
It is a very good advice to our viewers. Now, as you mentioned, we are undergoing into pandemic, and we, as family, as individual, we have a lot of stress. Now, what happens for children? We may say that we can scold them and ask them to really sit and study, but the problem comes when elder people, I mean the like grandparents, they have depression, or they are not able to cope up with the current situation. So what is your advice that how they can change their routine, and with music, and music act as a therapy to them also, especially in this period?
That's a very good question. And these days I'm dealing with such clients, and I'm very happy to say that I have been associated with many NGOs of senior citizens. And this is a very big problem, that what they are dealing with. If the youths are not able to cope up the stress, how can they? Because they are quite. Now, we have to understand a few problems first on a very basic level, and then on the psychological and physiological levels. Then we go to the Ayurvedic and the music therapy, the therapeutic level. So first, basic level, we have to just see and talk to them that there are many problems with. I am not generalizing that everybody has, but most of the old age people have problems. One is if we talk about one physiological, one of the problems is that they take a lot of medicine. So that medicine stress is also there. Everybody is takes the BP medicine, the diabetes, the if they have some more comorbidities, so they are taking that medicine. Some of the senior citizens do take uh, the sleep medicine as well. So, and through that medicines they are taking from so many years, they have certain, like they have a diet problem, they have any mood swings, they have a lot of mood swings with that. So that we have to deal with. So now that is some other science, that how medicine works and how medicine affects the mood of the person and how we have to tackle it. We have to talk to them, and that's a different kind of music they should be listening, and we make them listen to a certain kind of happy music. There is a rag called Natai we use with the people, with such people. Now another very big problem is the lack of acceptance, fear again, the element that, as I said, it's related to the gut. So the gut memory has to be little stronger. Then as with lack of acceptance, many old age people crave that they are not given that attention. Then one very important problem, they don't like loneliness because they are unable to differentiate between loneliness and solitude. So we have to talk to them, we counsel them uh, that it's okay to be alone. They crave that their children are not giving the time. They are sitting in the US and not giving the time to. So we have to tell them that loneliness is not a problem. If you feel that it's okay, you are with yourself and you are into the solitude. Let's change the perspective. And how we change the perspective now, loneliness, that trance, like I said, it works on the Muladhar chakra, that is our seat chakra. That works on the our spiritual angle. So that is very very important for every one of us to activate that Muladhar chakra, because that is related to one of the petal or emotion we have in Muladhar is the Sahaj, means neutral. Yoganandam means we are into the yogic stage. We are good in all stages. That is, so once we, that's why meditation, quiet time. It is why it is scientifically proved that meditation is good, because meditation, in some cases, you are bringing yourself down, you are grounded towards Muladhar chakra, which is your survival, your seat. So, one is that. Second is your Anahata chakra. The heart chakra is important because that is, as I said, it's important for acceptance, love, affection. If they do have, so that replace the lack of acceptance towards people, they crave a lot. And the third thing is gut, as I said. Gut is the Manipur chakra that works on the medicine. So the hormonal changes are there when you have a lot of medicines. So this is one thing. So if we just connect the physiological and the psychological, we have to read them, that these are certain common things which I find in the, like, they are alone, they are aloof, so that is Muladhar. So when, if they are having a sleeplessness, so that's a brain element, so we have to make them listen to certain that kind of ragas. Then heart chakra, some like Khamaj, Durga is a rag where little acceptance, this area is heart means love, acceptance, affection, compassion towards people. So this area is activated through that. So they should listen to these kind of music which has a lot of madhyama in it, and we tackle with that. So and if they do have certain problems, like mainly old age people have dementia, so obviously we do have music therapy techniques for dementia, Alzheimer, Parkinson, these areas. So they do have, and we get results on that. But I think for stress and anxiety, these are the root causes. So instead of just tackling the stress and anxiety, we have to get how that stress and anxiety is affecting the person, and what are the basics. So when we go into that, and then we kind of heal them. And with the normal people, the normal ladies also, especially the normal old people, we play the musical games as well, which is very very good for the dopamine release. That is the happiness hormone are released. So we play a lot of musical games, antakshari, sing with this word, rapid fire, humming the tunes. So we play a lot of games, and they are so enthusiastic. So these are certain tools which we use.
Very nicely you have put it how the raga can help in curing so many diseases and of course loneliness. At this point of time, I would like to ask you. Now, there are times when we have take up job and we don't have time, though may be inclined to music, may be inclined to learning painting. Now, when we are retired and we have a lot of time, so I would like to know how to start learning music. Actually, how to choose that rag which from which we can start learning music.
So ragas, which the basic ragas which everybody should learn and they will learn very easily is Yaman, like which I have taken in the last few episodes. Yaman is very very easy and it's so popular that people normally resonate with it. Then Bhopali, second. Then Bhairav third. Now Bhairav is which I think I have not taken that thing. So these three ragas are there which are quite and khamaj is also very basic rag. So these ragas are there which is very very popular, and it you can easily sing if you are learning that raga, especially Yaman. Yaman is so, like I said, 95% of the Bollywood songs, cinema songs, ghazal, bhajan, Sufi, qawwali, so many songs are in Yaman. So when you sing, definitely you will be able to, you will recall any song with it. That okay, this is the song. This was the song. So people can learn it very, because it's very flexible rag. Now, but this is a very pleasant rag. Bhairav is a rag which is very, very important, and as it is, created by Lord Shiva, it's so ancient rag. So it's very important to learn rag Bhairav when you start learning classical music. But the thing is that it's a dull rag. It's a Gambhir Prakriti rag. So normally, I read the students or adults or whatever. If they are a little, some students tell me I'm a very serious person. I like Gambhir ragas. So then I start Bhairav. They have everybody is from different attitudes. Some people are very playful, bubbly. So the Yaman, Kafi, these kinds of ragas we do introduce. So we start with these ragas. Bhopali is a very bubbly rag, very very sayonara. So these kind of songs, and it's very important to tell them the casual music of that particular raga, so they normally understand the raga. When they understand, so it's easier for them to go to other steps.
Right. Actually, now I would come back to our day raga, where the raga which we are discussing now, Khamaj. So let's listen some music or some songs of this raga.
So yes, so just to introduce this raga, has all the Shuddha Swar Saptak except Ni Komal while coming back. So we go with the all the natural notes, and it's very pretty much easier. Sa ga ma pa dha ni sa. Come back with Ni Komal sa ni dha ma ga re sa. So this is how all the other notes are. Now the prime notes in this raga is ga and ni, that is the Manipur, the ga and ni, Manipur and Sahasrar. And very important song in this, very popular. It is actually a thumri, but it has been taken into fusion music by Shafqat Amanat Ali. मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना, लाख जतन कर हारी, लाख जतन कर हार रही मोरा सैया मुझसे बोले ना. Then आयो कहाँ से घनश्याम. This is also a ठुमरी which was taken into movie. बुद्धा मिल गया, there was a movie. आयो कहाँ से घनश्याम. Similarly, there was a song in Gadar. आन मिलो सजना आन मिलो सजना. Then धीरे धीरे मचल ए दिले बेकरार कोई आता है. यूं तड़प के न तड़पा मुझे बार बार कोई आता है. धीरे धीरे मचल पिया तो से नैना लागे रे. This is not fully a command, but it's a base. पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे. नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे. These are certain songs which, if you are little dull, you're feeling low, if a person is, is attached to something and he's not feeling very good, the opinion problem, so many problems, so they can listen to such songs and they can just feel good.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत. It was so wonderful to hear singing you all these oldie songs, and they are good also. So as usual, it is so good to talk to you and to listen all the songs and understand the Khamaj Rag. We'll be meeting again and discuss many more ragas in future episodes. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you so much.
We have some unique Akulmek memorabilia which will make you look outstanding. The graphics on these corporate gifts are based on the global best business practices. To become recipient of one of these gifts for free, you have to watch this video till the end and provide your valuable comments. Or you can also share your experiences. The person who makes the best comment would be chosen to become a recipient of these beautiful Akulmek gift, absolutely free, delivered to your doorsteps. The winner would also get a chance to be invited live as a distinguished panelist during our next video. What are you waiting for, friends? Please subscribe Akulmek and smash that like button.